and the second one is title. I will introduce you to the topic and then we will briefly discuss it. Each worksheet has 1048576 rows and 16384 columns. And in cells you can enter your that. This was the intro of the worksheet, and now we will discuss that how a worksheet is formed. Like sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. And these sheet tabs are used to recognize your worksheet. You understand it? And now we will discuss about title book. So what is the difference between title bar and the sheet tab? Sheet tab of your workbook. So this was the difference between title bar and the sheet tab. And this sheet tab, if you want to ask any question, you can ask. It's a nice question. That's also a nice question. So
I have a question. I have a question that where is the title bar located?
What is the difference between sheet tabs and title bar?
Presentation. I hope that you like it.